Have you ever wondered how a masterpiece begins? It doesn't start with complex details. It starts with a single, precise line. Using a ruler for your first guideline is the secret to keeping your entire drawing balanced and professional from the very first second. Now, we move on to the basic structure. By using a simple circle for the head and geometric blocks for the body, we ensure our proportions are perfect. Never rush this step. Building a strong foundation is what separates a beginner from a pro artist. Once the frame is ready, it's time to add character. Watch as we turn those sharp, mechanical lines into soft curves. We sketch the flow of the dress and the natural fall of the hair, giving our character a sense of elegance and movement. Next, we add the umbrella. This is the focal point of our drawing. Pay close attention to the curved ribs and the angle of the handle. Adding these small details creates a realistic 3D effect that makes the entire scene feel much more atmospheric. Now, let's bring it to life with the magic of shading. Use dark, rhythmic strokes for the hair to give it shine, and add soft gradients to the folds of the dress. Shading creates the depth and shadows needed to make your artwork pop off the page. And there you have it. We've transformed a few simple lines into a beautiful piece of art. It's all about patience and following the right steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more art secrets.